Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I have the Geko Gear Orbit 956 front and rear dash cam. And today we're going to do the unboxing. One of the things I like to do before we start unboxing is to go over what it says in the box. Because a lot of my subscribers always ask me, what does it say on the box? I always want to give that. So let's go ahead and start with that. So in the bottom right, it says 4K front and 1080p rear. It has Wi-Fi app control, GPS logging, time-lapse recording, and it supports up to a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. And on one side, it says Super Nighttime Vision, and when the front and rear installation are installed, you get a picture-in-picture. On the side of the box, it gives a picture of an accident, and it says Capture the Unpredictable. And also it says record your road trips with time-lapse. And on the back, it goes over some of the features. All right, let's open the box and see what we got in there. The first thing is going to be the dash cam itself. Here's a closer look at the dash cam. You got a protective screen for shipping. Once you're done installing your dash cam, make sure to take this protective screen off. It has adhesive for mounting. It has the speaker in the front. And you have the reset. And on the top, you have the mini USB power slot. You have the power on and off. And on top of the dash cam, you have the rear camera cable slot. On the side of the dash cam, you have the menu button, the up button, the down button, and the micro SD card slot. And here's a look at the back of the screen. All right, let's continue. All right, you have the power cable, and it is a mini USB cable. And what I like about this is that if you only have one power socket, it gives you another one in case you want to charge your phone or whatever device you need. There's a USB-A slot there. And here's a closer look of the mini USB cable. Next, you're going to have the rear camera cable. Here's a look of the rear camera. Again, it has a protective screen. Once you're done installing, make sure you take that out. And there's the adhesive slot, and just take off that cover and you can mount this to the rear of your vehicle. And there's the cable itself, and there's the slot that you put on top of the dash cam itself. And here's the cable. I like the way it has this red cable slot there. And you could just take these off when you're ready to install them. And this is how the cable looks. Now if you notice, this has an indentation, so pretty much there's only one way to install this. And you can see the indentation right here on this side. Now to put these in, you can match them up by the indentions, or you could just put them in and twist. Well, actually I didn't have to twist, it went right away. So this is the rear cable, more than what you would need. So that's pretty good. Unless you have it like an RV, then you need an extension. Next, it also gives you a mini USB cable. Now this cable is good if you just want to download information from your dash cam to your computer, or you could take your dash cam off and go to your computer and you could transfer the files there. Really good to have. Next, you're going to have these adhesive guards, and these are for routing the wires. Now, we don't have to worry about this because if you follow my dash cam installation, all of your wires will be hidden. So these, I really don't use these at all. I pretty much just throw these away. Now I like this pry bar. This is pretty good. So rather than using screwdrivers, you use this plastic pry bar to route your wires or to lift up any of the trim. So this is real good to have. And once you're done installing this, keep this in your toolbox because you could really use this at other times. All right, next we have this 32 gigabyte micro SD card, and it comes with an adapter to put into your SD slot. Now this is a starter one. Now you could use this for your dash cam, but I encourage you to use the maximum SD card that is allowed. Because once you start driving, once you start locking those files by G-Sensor, this card gets full right away. So get the maximum gigabyte micro SD card for your dash cam. And then once you get it, you could put this back into this case and put it in your glove box, because this could be used as a backup. Before we get to this, let's see what else it has. All right, here's a little customer service card in case you need it. And thank you for shopping with My Geko Gear. Now these, which comes in real handy, I actually give you 3 of them. Now what these are is you apply these to your window shield first. Make sure your window shield's clean. And then you attach this to your window shield. And then in this slot here, I don't know if you could see it, there's a square in where you mount your dash cam, right in that square. And then when you're done with your dash cam, or you need to readjust it or put it in another vehicle, you pretty much just take these off real easy. So these are pretty good to have. And you also have an extra mounting tab in case you need to install it at a different location or a different vehicle. So this is good to have. Last is your manual. Now this manual gives you all the specifications for your dash cam. It also gives you a product diagram, and it also gives you an icon list as well. It explains the icons for the photo mode and playback mode as well. It tells you what the buttons mean, how to install the dash cam. It tells you about the rear dash cam, how to install it, your charging, and all your different modes. It gives you definition of all the settings, and it goes about the GPS player as well, and how to read your files. Now, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and select all notifications for all upcoming videos, because I'll have more videos of this dash cam coming soon. I'll have the review, I'll have the menu review, how to install the dash cam, and I'm even going to have a separate video on the GPS player. All right, now let's go ahead and turn on this dash cam. All right, let's go ahead and power this on. I got this connected to the wall charger, and I'm going to put that in, and you should see it coming on right here. There's a logo, and you can hear it turning on. And it says, please insert SD card. All right, but right now we're just looking to make sure it works, and you can see there. Now what we're going to do is plug in the rear camera. There we go, we got it plugged in. Again, it says to please insert card. And now we got a picture-in-picture mode. And here we go, so you could see it. Now this one here is the picture-in-picture is the rear camera, and then the main camera is the front. So this video was helpful for you. Please give me that thumbs up. You know I appreciate that from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Select all notifications for all upcoming videos. If you're interested in this product, I'll put links in the description down below. If you have a question or comment, leave in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.